A grand jury consists of 18 people making a decision that doesn't have to be unanimous.
It is a special jury that has one goal: to find whether there's probable cause to proceed with a case.
That's what grand juries, like the one handed the case of Fred Cox, are designed to do. Elon law professor Steve Friedland says just 12 of the 18 people on the jury are needed to support the charges of a crime, but all of it done under oath in secrecy.
Several reasons, and it's really to protect the jurors, the witnesses, and if the grand jury refuses to indict, the potential defendant.
Friedland says a grand jury is different than a jury you'd see seated on a trial. The setting also very different, as the potential defense team and defendant are not in the room during the grand jury proceeding.
And only sometimes is the prosecutor in the grand jury room, and the prosecutor's not there when it comes to deliberations.
Friedland says the grand jury's decision is not always the end of the road for cases.
If they refuse to indict, the prosecutor can look into this and see if there's additional evidence. Now, of course, there are limits. North Carolina law has limits on the process. You can look at to make sure that it's a fair process. And I'll say one more thing about that. Fair process is essential to the criminal system.
Friedland says the grand jury is drawn at random from voter and driver's license lists, and they're asked if they can be fair and impartial before being seated.